Hello children, I hope you remember me because quite long gap, right? The last class we have learned circles, that is related to area related to circles. Now here we are going to learn circle about tangents, okay? Last class we already learned what is about circle and what are the different components are there in the circle, everything very details we learn. Yes or no? Now we are going to learn about tangent related the circle. Tangent. What is tangent? Tangent. I'll explain. Tangent is a line segment which drawn to the circle from an external point. Okay, this is a circle. In this circle, we are going to draw a line segment, but condition is that line segment should touch the circle at only one point. It should not go inside. Maybe a point from P. The point where it touches the circle at one place, that is called which one? Q. So PQ is a tangent. PQ is a tangent. Now, I repeat once again, what is tangent? Tangent is a line segment or ray, whatever may be. Line segment which is drawn to a circle from an external point. P is a external, by external means outside. Point P is outside the circle, right? From this point P, we are drawing a line segment. That is called tangent. So PQ is a tangent. Now, can you tell me any more tangent can be drawn to a circle from the point P? Yes? Yes, right? One more you can draw. R also, PR also is on tangent. PR also tangents, right? It touches the circle. So, from any more, PQ and PR we are drawn two tangents. Is there any other tangent can be drawn? You may be thinking from P you can draw like this. When you draw like this, then it will touch the circle into two places. Yes or no? What is the condition tangent? It touches the circle at only one point. So this cannot be a tangent. Understood? It cannot be a tangent. Because condition is only one point. Okay. Now, this is the center of the circle. Center of the circle. Now, from the center of the circle to the point of contact of tangents, OQ. Can you tell me what is the name of OQ? Yes? Good. What is that? Radius, right? We already learned, isn't it? Then what about OR? Can you join? Yes? So, this is also radius. Clear? Now, another point we are going to learn, listen carefully, okay? Another point we are going to learn, the point of contact of tangent and the radius. PQ is a tangent, OR is a radius, PQ and O are meeting at one point, particular point, right? That point should be 90 degree. That never ever change. The point of contact of tangent and the radius. The point of contact of tangent, that is Q, and radius OQ meet one place, that is called homogeneity. You know all of you, this symbol is homogeneity, 90 degree, right? If this is 90 degree, what about here? This is also homogeneity, 90 degree. Yes or no? Okay. So another point you will learn. What is the first point? The line segment which drawn to a circle from an external point which touches the circle at only one point is called tangent. So from an external point, how many tangents can be drawn? Two tangents can be drawn. That's clear? Then the point of contact of tangent and the radius meet one particular place. That place, that angle, it form an angle. That angle is how many degree? 90 degree. Clear, children? Okay. Now, the point of the two tangents we have drawn, right? The two tangents should be equal in length. That is PQ equal to PR. Never change. It should be equal. If it is not equal, then it is not a tangent. Clear? PQ and PR should be equal. Otherwise, it cannot be a tangent. Okay? Now, next. Okay. Now, another point you are going to learn. If I connect OP, OP is joint. Now we have how many figures, how many triangles? There are two triangles, right? Triangle which one? PQO and triangle PRO. Right? There are two triangles. Now tell me, these two triangles, I am going to take all of you to class 9. You will learn, right? Concurrence of triangle you learn, right? So I am going to take you to class 9. Go back to class 9 and recall the whatever you learn in class 9. Okay? PQ and PR is equal. Yes or no? Because it is which one? Tangents tells. Tangents theorems. Tangent theorems tell if the 2 points, 2 lines points tangent, then they are equal. Okay. Now, OQ is equal to OR. OQ and OR equal or not? Yes. Why? Which one? Radii. What about OP? OP equal or not? OP is a common for both the sides, right? Both the triangles, OP is a common. OP, PQO, OP coming, PRO, again OP coming. So OP is a common. Can you tell me these two triangles are concurrents? Yes or no? Yes. Triangle PQO concurrent to triangle which one? PRO. In what condition they are concurrent? Yes. Yes. What is that? Side, side, side. Isn't it? All the three sides are equal. That means they are concurrent to each other. If they are concurrent, you already learned. If they are concurrent, then angle POQ, this angle POR, this angle POQ, angle POR, equal or not? Yes or no? Yes? Yes? Which one? CP, CT. Do you remember what is CP, CT? Forgot, right? It's all right. Corresponding part of concurrent triangle. So according to this condition, these two angles are equal. Actually, this point is not, we are not going to learn, I am not going to teach, okay? But this particular point is needed. That is why I am explaining all those things. Because when we enter to the exercise, if you do not know, then you will be hanging somewhere else. Okay? So for that only, before entering the topic, let me clear all the basic foundations, so that it will be easy for you. Corresponding part of concurrent triangle. These two angles are equal. Okay. So now what point we are going to use here is equal tangents. PQ and PR are equal. Equal tangent subtends equal angle at the center. Equal tangents, which are equal tangent? PQ and PR, they are equal. If these two tangents are equal, they make, subtends means they make angle, which angle? Equal angle at the center. Clear, children? Okay. Now these are the points. Now, I think the basic is all the points are clear now. Quickly once again I will go, then we will enter to the exercise. Okay? Okay. Tangents. What is tangent? I go a little bit fast. Okay. What is tangent? A line segment which is drawn from an external point to the circle, which touches the circle at only one particular point, is called tangents. From an external point, how many tangents can be drawn? 2 tangents can be drawn. Both are should be equal. Clear? Next. What is the next? The point of contact of tangent and radius. The point of contact of tangent and radius make how many degree? 90 degree. That's clear. Next, another point what you will learn, equal tangent subtends equal angle at the center. Okay. Now one more point is there that I will explain to you. Circle, center O. I want to know how many tangent can be drawn to a circle. How many tangent can be drawn to a circle? Yes, your answer is 2, right? Yes or no? No, answer 2 is not the correct one. Sir, just now you taught us only 2 tangent can be drawn to a circle. Now you are telling no. Yes, I only taught you only 2 tangent can be drawn to a circle from an external point. If it is from an external point, only 2 tangent. They never change. But now my question is, how many tangent can be drawn to a circle? The word external point is missing, right? How many tangent can be drawn to a circle? Listen. These 2 are a tangent, right? Touch the, which one? Only 1 point. What about this one? Again another tangent, right? Yes or no? What about this one? Another tangent, right? What about this one? Another tangent, right? What about this one? So, millions of tangent can be drawn to a circle. How many tangent can be drawn to a circle? Millions of tangent can be drawn. But from an external point, only 2 tangents. Okay? That you have to be clear. Now let us go to the exercise. This chapter has 2 exercises. Exercise 10.1, practically nothing to do. I am not going to do. You can manage by yourself without any teacher's help. If you learn the basic, you can manage by yourself. It's very simple. Exercise 10.2. 10.2 is a difficult exercise, and which is very important. One question of 5 marks sure to comes. Only one exercise. Around 15 questions are there. Out of 15 questions, in the beginning around 5-6 questions are very easy. That will not come for the exam purpose. That means very limited questions. Very limited questions. If you practice, easily you can attend one question of 5 marks. Sure to get 5 marks. Okay. Now, first few questions I am not going to do. Again, that is very simple. I will do only the difficult questions. And among the difficult questions, 1-2 questions, let me make it first simple. Then I will go for very tough question. Okay. Question number 6. 10.2. 10.2 question number 6. 10.2 question number 6 tells the length of a tangent from a point A at a distance 5 cm from the center of the circle is 4 cm. I repeat, not able to catch, right? I repeat once again. The length of a tangent from a point A at a distance of 5 cm from the center. Circle is here. The length of the tangent from a point at a distance 5 center O at a distance 5 cm from the center of the circle. From the center of the circle. That is how many? This is how many centimeter? 5 centimeter. Is how much? 4 centimeter. What is the question? Find the radius of the circle. This is a radius, we do not know. Clear? Okay. I repeat again. The length of a tangent from a point A at a distance from a point A, that means point A is here. From the point A at a distance 5 centimeter from the center of the circle is how much? 4 centimeter. Find the radius of the circle. Okay. This is 90, right? In triangle ABO or in right triangle. Right triangle means what? That triangle is how many degree? 90 degree. ABO. AB is equal to how much? 4 centimeter. OA is equal to how much? 5 centimeter. OB equal question marks. Previous class we already learned the side which is opposite to 90 degree. The side which is opposite to 90 degree is which one? Hypotenuse, that is longest side, right? Okay. By Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem tells? Square of longest side, that is AO square equal to sum of the square of other two sides, that is AB square plus OB square. What is AO? AO is how much? Or you can, if you want, on the side also you can write equal to how much? AO square. Okay. What is AB? AB is how much? 5 centimeter square plus OB how much? OB how much? Sorry, AB is how much? 4 centimeter. OB how much? We do not know. AO is how much? 5 centimeter. 4 4s are 16 centimeter square plus OB we do not know. How much? 5 5s are 25 centimeter square. So OB square is equal to how much? 25 centimeter square plus 16, you take other side, minus 16 centimeter square. OB square equal to how much? 16 minus 25 minus 16 how much? 9. So OB is equal, if you remove the square other side, you have to put a square root, right? Yes or no? That is, what is the square root of 9? 3, right? Yes or no? So radius OB is equal to how much? 3 centimeter. Okay, children? Well, first question is over. Understood? So in this class, what are the points we have learned? What is tangent? How many tangent can be drawn to a circle from an external point? And they are equal. And the point of contact of tangent and the radius how many degree? 90 degree. Only 2 tangents can be drawn to a circle from an external point, but at the same time numerous millions of tangents can be drawn to a circle. Yes or no? Okay. Then equal tangents subtends equal angle at the center, that also you learn. Then question number 6 also you learn, right? Yes or no, children? Okay, all of you copy down all the questions, the answers, and we will meet in the next class. Okay, children? See you all.